right, these are just my Hawaiian Sweet Rolls Original. Go ahead and take these tops off super quick. Now I'm coming in with some Applewood smoked turkey breast. And this whole thing up. Ooh, yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and grab a slice and just kind of lay it right there. We'll do a few layers of it, so we don't need to fold it. We can just pile it on. This is the best turkey they have at the store. Obviously, you can get some actual deli slices if that's what you prefer, but this stuff is so good. And the apple smoked is just gonna complement this entire dish. So easy, so delicious, great for lunch, great for a football day, whatever you wanna make this for. Let's just pile on that turkey onto our Hawaiian Sweet Rolls. Oh my, I cannot wait to get these in my mouth. Okay, we're gonna use that whole package of turkey so we get a thick layer of meat. Perfect. Now, we're coming in with some bacon. Yes, and this is already cooked bacon. We're not putting anything raw into our sandwiches. And we're just gonna kind of lay them just like this on our bread on top of our turkey. I'm gonna use all of this bacon. This is just one package of bacon. I really like bacon, so I am piling it on. But if you don't like bacon as much as I do, you could obviously skip this, or you could do a little bit less, whatever you prefer. Now, this is gonna get a little interesting. So remember we have that Applewood smoked turkey breast. So now I'm gonna grab my Granny Smith apples that I've already cut, and we're gonna place these right on top of that bacon. And I know you guys probably think I'm crazy, but this is literally the best fall flavored sandwich, and those apples are gonna get nice and soft in the oven and just be so good with this sandwich. So just lay your little apple slices down just like this. I did put a little lemon juice on them so they wouldn't brown while I was putting this together, but look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, now for the cheeses. We're gonna start off with some medium cheddar cheese. I got these big slices right here, but we are gonna make them a little bit smaller. And I'm just gonna cut them in half long ways and this way, just like this. So we get little cuts of medium cheddar. And this is the type of cheese that doesn't have the paper in there, so you don't have to worry about the papers. And we're just gonna put a slice of cheddar right on top of that apple, like so. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. I love this lunch so much. That's why I'm making a big serving of it, because it's gonna be eaten up. Now, you could stop with the medium cheddar, but you guys know I love my cheeses, so I'm gonna go in with some Gouda. And this is the same brand, so no papers in there. And we're gonna do the same exact cuts that we did with the medium cheddar. It just makes it so much easier to get them on our little sandwiches. Because remember, they are on those Hawaiian Sweet Rolls, and they're gonna be little mini slider sandwiches. How good is that? You could also do this with, your leftover Thanksgiving turkey. I feel like this is a great way to use any leftover turkey, but Thanksgiving is a month or two away, so we don't have to worry about that quite yet. You guys should definitely try these way before then. Okay, get a slice of Gouda on top, just like we did with that cheddar. This is looking good, you guys. All right, now we are almost done. I have one more thing to tie in that yummy apple flavor, and that is apple butter. Yep, call me crazy, but this stuff is gonna go so well with these flavors. And I'm just gonna use my little spatula and do a nice little pat of apple butter on those cheeses. It doesn't need to be perfect. I get a little bit more on some of these ones that are lacking. Beautiful, oh my. All right, it's time to put these tops on of our sandwiches just like this. This is gonna be really good, you guys. Our little turkey, apple, bacon sandwiches are gonna be delicious. We'll see how that ends up once we cook it, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious regardless. All right, my oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 25 minutes. Oh my, these smell so good. Our apple, turkey, bacon sliders. Okay, let's go ahead and cut through the bacon, the bread, a little bit of apple that we need to cut through to get our perfect slider. That bacon is not wanting to cut through. Let's see if it will pop on out. Oh yeah. Ooh, we got some extra bacon there. That looks so good, you guys. Okay, go ahead and put it on my plate. Okay, let's go ahead and finally try our delicious slider. It's gonna be hot, so blow on it. It's like a charcuterie board married a turkey sandwich. It's so good.